Good students, student of class 5. Now today in this video we have discussed the new chapter, chapter 10. Topic is money. First exercise based on unitary method. Unit, the word unit means a single thing. So the value of the unit quantity is first obtained to find the value of any given quantity of the same type. First we have to find out the value of single thing. So basic principle, to find the cost of one item, the cost of any number of items of the same type of given, so we divide. So cost of one item equal cost of one item equal total cost of all items, total cost upon number of items, number of items. अगर हमको एक आइटम की कॉस्ट फाइंड करनी है तो हमको टोटल कॉस्ट को डिवाइड करना होगा किससे, नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स. So this by this process we have solved exercise 10a. So take the question number 1. In question number 1, statements is given: a curtain containing 14 kilogram apples cost 910 rupees. To find out the cost of 25 kilogram apples. So first we have to find out the cost of 1 kilogram apple. Then multiply the cost of 1 kilogram apple to the 25. So we have to find out the cost of 25 kilogram apples. So cost of 25 kilogram, 14 kilogram, cost of 14 kilogram apples is equals given 910 rupees, 910. So cost of 1 kg apple equal total cost divided by number of weight, that is 14. So when we divide 14 6 is 84, 14 5 is 65 equals to 65. So cost of 1 kilogram apple is 65 rupees. Then find the cost of 25 kilogram apples. So cost of 25 kilogram apples equal, so we have to multiply cost of 1 to 25. So equals, when you multiply 65 25, 25 5 is 125, 12 is carry, 25 6 is 150, 150 plus 12, 162. So cost of 25 kilogram apples is 1625 rupees. Now the question number 2. Again a statement is given: Greece wants to buy 2.5 meter of cloth for this shirt. How much amount he would pay if he buys the cloth at the rate of 95 rupees per meter? तो 1 मीटर का जो कास्ट है वो कितना दिया है आपको, 95 रुपीज, और उसको शर्ट के लिए 2.5 मीटर क्लॉथ चाहिए. तो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई कास्ट पर मीटर टू द टोटल क्लॉथ ही वांट. कॉस्ट ऑफ क्लॉथ पर मीटर इक्वल 95. Cost of 25, cost of 2.5 meter cloth equal 95 multiplied by 2.5. When we multiply 95 to the decimal, 25 upon 10, 5 2 5 5 jar. equals 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 14, 2 5 ja 10. 237.5 rupees. That the cost of 2.5 meter cloth. Because cost of 1 meter cloth is given 95 rupees, you have to find out the cost of 2.5 meter cloth. So we have to multiply cost of 1 meter to the total length of cloth 2.5. So when you multiply 95 by 2.5, we do decimal point, divide by 10, 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, so 95 5 ja 5 5 ja 25, 2 is carry, 5 9 ja 45 plus 2 47, so 475 upon 2. When we divide by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 14, 1 is carry, take the decimal point, repeat 0, 2 5 ja 10. Now question number 3. The cost of 35 juice cans is given 647.5. What is the cost of 7 such juice cans? So first you have to find out the cost of 1 juice can, divide by 35. Then which value we get? Then you have to multiply by 7. So you get the answer of this question. Solve this question by yourself. Now question number 4. The Raghuveer is paid 5261.25 for 15 days. Then how much would he paid for 40 days? So money paid by Raghuveer in 15 days. Money paid by Raghuveer in 15 days equal 5261.25. So money paid in 1 day, money paid in 1 day equal 5261.25 divided by 15. So when we divide by 15, 15 3 ja 45, 76, 15 5 ja 75, 1 is carry, 15 7 ja 105, you have to divide by 15. So 15 divided by 5261.25. 15 3 ja 45, 7 carries 6, 15 5 ja 75, 1 carry 1, not divide, so 0 decimal point, carries 2, 15 7 ja 105, again 7 carry out 5, 15 5 ja 75, 350.75. 350.75. Money paid by Raghuveer in 1 day. You have to find out in 40 days. So money paid in 14 days. In 40 days equal. We have to multiply by 40. 40 into 350.75. 4 5 ja 20, 4 5 28 plus 2 30, 4 5 20, 4 ja 12 to 14. Then decimal point after one place, so 14,030 rupees. So Raghuveer paid 14,030 rupees in 40 days. Now question number 5. Geeta bought a gold ring of 10 gram for 32,010 rupees. How much would it cost to her if she buys a gold of ring 8 gram? So first we have to find out the cost of 1 gram gold. Cost of 10 gram gold equal 32,010 rupees. So cost of 1 gram gold equal 32,010 divided by 10 equals 3,201. The cost of 1 gram gold. But he want to buy 8 gram. So cost of 8 gram gold equal, so we have to multiply cost of 1 gram gold to the 8. So 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 5 24 plus 1 25, 25,608. So cost of 8 gram gold is 25,608. Now the question number 6. Cost of 15 shoe racks is 6,607 rupees 5 paise, 50 paise. Find the cost of 23 such shoe racks. Cost of 15 shoe racks equal 6607.5, 6607.5, and find the cost of 23 such shoe racks. So first we have to find out the cost of one shoe rack. So cost of one shoe rack equal, so 6607.5 divided by 15. So when we divide 6607.5, 15 4 ja 60, 6 carry out 6, 15 4 ja 60, carry out 7, 15 5 ja 75. So cost of one shoe rack is 440.5. Then find out the cost of 23 such shoe racks. So cost of 23 shoe racks equal, so we have to multiply by 23 to the cost of one shoe rack, 440.5. So when we multiply, we get 10,131.50. 10,131.50. Now the last question of this exercise, question number 7. Cost of 10 chair with arm rest is 40,000. Question number 7. Again a statement is given here. Cost of 10 chairs with arm rest is 4,000 and without arm rest is rate is 3,500. दो टाइप की चेयर है यहाँ पर, एक विदाउट आर्म एक विद आर्म. जो विद आर्म की चेयर है वो है 4,000 रुपीज़ 10 चेयर्स की कॉस्ट, और जो विदाउट आर्म है उन 10 चेयर्स की कॉस्ट कितनी है 3,500. तो व्हाट वुड इट कॉस्ट टू अ पर्सन इफ ही बाइज 4 चेयर विद आर्म एंड 3 चेयर विदाउट आर्म. So first we have to find out the cost of one chair of each type. So cost of 10 chairs with arm is given 4,000. So cost of one chair so we have 400,000 divided by 10, so equals to 400 rupees. Cost of one chair with arm is 400 rupees. Then cost of 10 chairs without arm is given 3,500. So cost of one chair, so 3,500 divided by 10, so equals to 350 rupees. So we have to find out the cost of one chair of each type. With arm, one chair cost 400, and without arm, one chair cost 350 rupees. A person buy 4 chair with arm. So cost of 4 chairs, with arm. So 4 multiplied with 400, because one chair cost with arm is 400 rupees. So we get 4 4 1600 rupees. Cost of 4 chair with arm is 1600 rupees, and 3 chair without arm. So cost of 3 chairs without arm. 3 multiplied with 350, because without arm chair is cost 350 rupees. Then multiply 3 5 are 15, 3 are 9, 110, 1050 rupees. Cost of without arm. So total cost equal with arm 1600 and without arm 1050. So when we add 50 and 6, 1 plus 1 2, 2,650 rupees. So total cost the person, when person buy 4 chair with arm and 3 chair without arm, so he would have to pay 2,650 rupees. So the total exercise 10A based on unitary method. First you have to find out the cost of one item, then whatever is given in the question you have to find out regarding the question. So students, you have to solve this exercise. If you have any doubt, then ask on WhatsApp group. Thank you students.